Hi, Amit Sharma. Welcome you all to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do matrices. By the end of this video, you'll be learning what is matrix, equal matrix, and some special type of matrix with an solved example, which will help you to understand easily. Now you can see what are the application of matrices. Matrices helps us in plotting the graph, statistics, scientific studies, research, and even it helps us in the population of people, infant mortality rate. Even it helps us in business. In class 12 there is a chapter linear programming problem, LPP, which helps us in making the decision. So without further delay, let's start today's class. So here comes matrix. So what is matrix? So you can see here a rectangular arrangement of a number. So it will be a rectangular arrangement. What we'll do is that we'll arrange a number in a form of horizontal and a vertical line is called a matrix. For example, you can see here what you have example. Square bracket is there. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. So we are arranging a number in the rectangular bracket. So this is only called as matrix. This is an example of matrix. You can think of an egg tree. Yeah, we arrange the egg there. Similarly, in this, what happens is that in a square bracket or we write this type of bracket also. Okay, curved bracket also. So if we'll arrange a number in a row and a column, this is called as column. What happens is that is called as matrix. Okay. So now horizontal line are called rows. So what is this? Is that this is your row. This line is called as row. You can say it as row 1. This is your row 2. Okay. Now vertical, this is your vertical. So this is vertical lines are called as column. This all are columns. So this you can call as column 1. This is your column 2, and this is your column 3. Hope so you are clear. Many students they get confused in row and column. So always think that straight row, straight row. This vertical is your column. Hope so you are clear. Now what happens is that the element of matrix are enclosed in bracket, this square bracket or curved bracket. Okay. Now we have this order of matrix. So what is this order of matrix means? It represents how many rows and how many columns it represents. Okay. So we call it as row by column. We call it as row by column. Okay. So similarly, you can see m into n. Row is represented by m, column is represented by n. Now in this example, you can see how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So what can I write this order of this matrix? Order of this matrix I can write 2 by 3. This matrix. Okay, hope so you are clear. 2 by 3. Similarly, total number of elements. So total of number of elements is m into n. This is your multiplication. Okay. So simple. This is your 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope so you are clear. Okay. So this is your order of matrix. We call it as by, and this is total number. We just will multiply. 2 3s are 6. Now matrix are usually denoted by capital letter. Every time the matrix is represented by the capital letter. So you can see an example. We have A is equal to 2 0 3 7 minus 6 5. So you can see it's represented by capital letter. So already I have told you how many rows are there. This is your rows, this is your verticals, is your column. So can you say me the order? This is important for your exam. They ask the order also. What is the order? How many rows are there? 2. Yeah. And how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So 2 by 3. So this is my answer. Hope so you are clear. So this is your matrix. So matrix is nothing. It's an arrangement of a number in a rectangular. Okay. So horizontal lines are called rows. Vertical lines are called column. And we write in, don't be confused if they'll give you, they'll give you in curved bracket also. This also. Okay. It's same thing. Okay. The order of matrix is row by column. And matrix is always represented by, denoted by capital letter. Now let's see another. So here, an element appearing in ith row and jth column of the matrix is represented by ij element. Okay, or ij entry. So what does this mean is that? It's simple. See, example A equals to bracket Aij Mn. Okay, so the order is Mn Aij. What does this mean? Simple, I'll explain you in this example. Suppose A I have. Now see A11. I is my 1, J is my 1. So what does this mean? It's first row, first column. Okay. Similarly, you can see here what you have A12. So I is 1, J is my 2. So J represents column, you can see here, and I represents row. That means this is your first row, second column. Hope so you are clear. This is your first row, third column. Similarly, this is your second row, yes or no? Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Hope so you are clear with this. So this is only your ijth entry. So while doing the example, you will be more clear. So let's see an example we have. This is from your exercise only, okay? So I'll show you in a very simple way and try to do this way only in exam. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are Aij. Already I have told you. So I is my row, J is my column, are given by Aij equals to 2i minus j. So what do we have? Order of matrix is 2 by 2. So what does this mean? Row is my 2, column is also my 2. So you can see here we have I have taken let A is equal to, so 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. You can see how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 2 columns are there because of this 2 2. So first one, what will be? First row, first column. So that means 1 1. Okay, this is your first row, second column. So 1 2. This is your second row, first column. So that's why 2 1. Hope so you are clear. This is your second row, yes or no? Second row, and this is your second column. So this is my matrix. So capital letter always. Okay, so there is a difference between matrix and matrices. Matrix is singular form, matrices is plural form. Okay, now we have to find the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22. So I have written here, you can see here A11. So how we can get A11? So what is the formula? You can see 2i minus j. They had given us this. So what is the value of I? First letter is I. Already I have told you Aij. First letter is I, second letter is also j. So I is 1, j is 1. So what can write? 2, write in bracket, minus 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2 minus 1. I got 1. Hope so you are clear. Similarly, can I do directly now? 2. What is my I? I is 1 minus j is my 2. So it's your 2 minus 2. I got 0. Similarly, 2. What is my I? I is 2 minus j is my 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. I got 3. Now here I is my 2 and j is also my 2. Just I am putting in this values. Okay, 2 2s are 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is my 2. So I got all the values. Now I'll put the answer. Now A11, what I got? 1. A12, how much I got? 0. A21, how much I got? 3. A22, how much I got? 2. Okay, so simple. This is my answer. So this is only Aij. Hope so you are clear with this. Now let's go different types of matrix. In this you can see that we have equal matrices. So now we have written matrices. Okay, so already I have told you it will be more than one. Matrix means one. Matrices means more than one, plural and the singular form. Okay, now two matrix A and B. Suppose we have two matrix. Already I have told you it's represented by the capital letter, are called equal and written as A equals to B. This IFF means if and only if. So there are two conditions when we can say that the two matrices are equal. A and B are of same order. Both they should have the same order and their corresponding elements should be equal. So what does this mean? I'll show you an example. You can see here. What you have? Example 1, A. 2, 5, 7, minus 4. So what is the order? We can write order here. 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay, so row by column. How many? 2 rows, 2 columns. So the order is same. Now first criteria is over. First criteria is done. Now it should satisfy the second criteria also. Now see there. Their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding means this A11. See A11, this side is also 2. A12, 5. This side also 5. 7. This is also 7. Minus 4. This is also minus 4. That means both the criteria is fulfilled. That means therefore what can write? A is equal to B. Now I can say that both the matrices are equal. Now let's see another example. You can see here what you have. D. D is given 203, 597 and E is here 302, 579. So what is the order? row is how many? 2, column is 1, 2, 3. So 2 by 3. This side is also 2 by 3. Now the first criteria is fulfilled. Now second criteria we have to see. Can you see here is 2, A11, but this side is 3. That means they are not equal. Corresponding elements should be equal. That means therefore I can write A is not, sorry, A is not, it's D, yeah? D is not equals to E. So that means these two matrices are not equal. Now let's solve one example. You will be more clear with this. So this question is also from your exercise only. So you can see here what they are given. Find the value of A, B, C and D if this equals to sign is there. That means this matrix and this matrix are equal. So equal means their order is same. Yeah, already it's same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. That means what the rule says that corresponding elements should be equal. So in exam what you'll do? Solution, then you will write given. So given I am taking this question only. Hope so you are clear. Now by the rule of equal matrices, the corresponding elements should be equal. That means this A should be equals to 2. So directly I can write A equals to 2. Similarly B, can you say me? B corresponding element is, which one is B corresponding? 3, yes or no? That means B is equal to 3. And what you can see here? You can see C. C is there. C's corresponding element is minus 2. That means C equals to minus 2. Now we have 2C plus D. So can you say me 2C plus D will be equal to 2C plus D will be equal to 7 corresponding element. Okay, so 7. But we know the value of C. C is almost minus 2. So I can put the value here. 2 minus 2 plus D is equal to 7. So plus minus minus 2 2s are 4 plus D is equal to 7. So therefore D is equal to, what can I do? 7. This minus 4, when you go that side it will be plus 4. So 7 plus 4 is your 11. So I got A, B, C, D value, all the values. Okay, so you got it. So what is equal matrices? The order should be same and the corresponding element. Corresponding element means same. This A11, A11, A12, A12, A1, A21, A21, A22, A22. So this has to be same. Or you can see simple write this up and keep it here. So A will be correspond to this, minus 2 will be corresponding to this, B will be corresponding to this, and 7 will be corresponding to this. So this is only your equal matrices. Hope so you are clear with this. Now we'll do some special type of matrices. Now we have some special type of matrices. So number 1, you can see row matrix. So what is this row? If it has only one row, then we call it as row matrix. So you can see here, what is the order of this? 1 by 3. How many rows are there? 1. And how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So 1 by 3. So if it will have only one row, then we call it as row matrix. Hope so you're clear. It's very simple. Yeah. Column matrix. So column matrix means only one column. Simple. You can see here. Only one column. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. So the order is 3 by 1. So you can see how many columns are there? Only one column. So if it will be, then we call it as column matrix. Very simple. Now we have square matrix. So what is square matrix? If the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So number of rows and the number of columns are equal, then we call that square matrix. So as you know, square means all the sides are same, equal. So you can see how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. So the order is 2 by 2. Similarly, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So what is the order? 3 by 3. Now we can see rows is also 3, column is also 3. Rows is also 2, column is also 2. So it means when the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, then we call it as square matrix. If it is not equal, then we call it as a rectangular matrix. Okay, so I haven't done it here, so we will call it as rectangular matrix. As you know, it's a rectangle. Similarly, what is this? Diagonal element. So now see diagonal element. Diagonal elements are this 5, 3. Okay, we'll not check like this. We'll go always from left to right. So diagonal elements are 5, 3 for this. Similarly, what will be diagonal element for this? Can you say me? 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4. So diagonal elements always we take from the square matrix. Hope so you are clear. Always we take from left to right. So 5, 3. We will not take this way. This is my diagonal. Okay, I'll make like this. This is my diagonal element. So this side, this is my diagonal element. Hope so you are clear. Now we have another one. you can see 0 or null matrix. So 0 or null matrix, hopefully you are clear with the example only. Yeah, if the each and every element is 0, then we call it as 0 or null matrix. So see, 0 0, everywhere is 0 0. What is the order of this? 1 by 2. Yeah, how many rows are there? 1, columns is 2, so 1 by 2. This is your square matrix. Yeah, 2 by 2. This is also square matrix, 3 by 3. So null matrix or 0 matrix, what is it? If each and every elements are 0, then we call it as 0 or null matrix. Now we have the last one, you can see identity or unit matrix. So identity means anything whatever you multiply, it will become same. That is identity. Okay, so 1 is identity, because 100 into 1 you will get 100 only. So that similarly in this matrix we have, you can see diagonal elements are 1. So already I have explained you what is diagonal. Yeah, so a matrix in which each diagonal elements is 1 and other elements are 0. Other element has to be 0. So you can see here diagonal element 1 1. So why I am writing this I2? Okay, in exam they used to give I2, or they say identity matrix with order 2. So identity matrix are always square matrix. You can see here always it's a square matrix. The order is 2 by 2. So I2 means 2 by 2. I3 means 3 by 3. Hope you are clear. Now see, diagonal elements are 1 1. Other remaining element has to be 0. Similarly I3 means 3 by 3. So 1 1 1. Other elements 0. Now hope so you are clear with this. Now just revise once this all everything. Now let's solve some numerical problem from this exercise. Okay. So here we have question from the exercise. You can see what you have to find. We have to find the value of x, y, a and b if you can see both the matrices are equal. So already I have told you. So what you do? Solution given. So if these two matrices are equal, obviously their orders are same only. Yeah, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. It's a square matrix. Now what happens that the corresponding elements should be equal. That means x minus 2 should be equal to 3. So therefore I can write x minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore x equals to this minus 2. When it goes, that's it will be 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 I got 5. So I got the value of x. Similarly, can you say me what is the value of y? If you'll see y corresponding element is 1. So y is equal to 1. Hope so you are clear with this. So I got the x value also, y value also. Now I have to go for the value of a and b. If you'll see here, what you have, a plus 2b is equal to, what you have, to a plus 2b will be equal to 5. Yes. Now similarly, what you have, 3a minus b is equal to, it should be equals to, the corresponding element of this is here 1. So to find this, so we are getting a and b, both forms are there. That means it's your simultaneous linear equation. So we'll take it as equation 1. This we'll take it as equation 2. So now we have to make the coefficient same. So what you used to do? So now I am trying to make a same. Okay, I'll try to make a same only. So what do you have? 3, and what you have this side is here 1. This 3 you will multiply up. Yeah, you have done in class 9 only. Here is nothing means there is 1. So 1 will multiply lower 1. Okay, or you can do with the 1 and 2 also. Okay, so the answer will come same only. 3 1s are 3a, and don't forget that each and every element you have to multiply. Okay, so plus 3 2s are 6b equals to 5 3s are 15. Now 1 multiplying 3a minus b equals to 1. Now will this 2 will get cancelled? 3a 3, no. So what you have to do, we have to change the sign, minus. So minus opposite will be plus, and this plus opposite will be minus. So 3a 3 get cancelled. Now it has been changed to plus. 6b plus b, so it will be 7b equals to 15 minus 1 is your 14. Now this 7 and 14 will get cancelled. Okay, I'll cancel this way. Therefore b is equal to 14 by 7. So it will get cancelled by 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So therefore I got b is equal to 2. Now what I have to do, as you know that you have done in class 9, we have to do the putting the value. Now putting the value. Putting the value of what you have, b is equal to 2 in Okay, I'll put it in equation 1. Okay, so when I'll put, always copy the equation. A plus 2b equals to 5. Okay, so what is the value of b is my 2, so I'll put it a plus 2, the value of b is, b is 2 equals to 5. So a plus 2 to the 4 equals to 5. That means a is equal to 5 plus 4, when you go that side it will be minus 4, so I got 1. So therefore I got a is equal to 1. So at the last you will write conclusion. Therefore x equals to, you got 5, y is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 2. So this is your final answer. Hope so you are clear with this. Or you can check the value of a and b also, okay, by putting this. No need to do an exam. Okay, I'll show you. Just write the equation 1, whether your answer is right or wrong, a or b. Okay, so what is the left hand side? A plus 2b. What you got? A 1 plus 2. What is the value of b? 2. So 1 plus 2 to 4. So what I got? 5. Can you see on the right hand side 5? That means your answer is correct. Okay, this way we used to check the simultaneous linear equation, whether the answer is right or wrong. Okay, hope so you are clear. So this way we will solve this. Now please like, share and subscribe to our channel.